Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the Alight Motion XML and gathering every linked asset. This ensures the file references match on iPhone. Once done, put the XML and assets in one folder and compress to. Zip for reliable transfer. Make sure to name files exactly as referenced in XML to avoid broken links, and verify fonts and audio formats are compatible with iOS. This step prevents errors later, so don't skip matching file names and extensions before moving the archive to your iPhone. Next, transfer the zip to your iPhone via AirDrop or iCloud Drive and open it in the Files app. Once there, long press the zip and select Uncompress so the folder structure remains intact. You need the XML and all assets together in Files because Alight Motion on iPhone imports from local storage. After extraction, inspect file names and folder hierarchy. If something looks off, rename files now. This avoids import failures and saves time during the app import step. Finally, open Alight Motion and choose Projects. Then import XML from Files. Navigate to the extracted folder and pick the XML. You will see assets load. Be patient while the app maps them. Once imported, scrub the timeline to confirm layers and effects applied correctly. If some assets are missing or show placeholders, pause and return to Files to fix file names, then re-import only the XML or manually add missing assets. A common troubleshooting tip: ensure file names are.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.